Habang nanonood ako kanina ng speech ni Trump, sabi ko, bangag, this is it. Nagdami naglalaro sa isip ko. Sabi ko, shit, susulat kaya ako kay Melania. Ang sabihin ko na si Lisa Tanas ay kidnapper. Ang daming ebidensya eh. Ipapadala ko yung authenticated ni Bangag na nagpupulburon siya. Well, I decided I have to do it by hook or by crook. Ang daming naglalaro sa isipan ko talaga kanina. Meron akong kinausap, isang abogado. Nung ito na nga yung mga kaso-kaso ni Lisa Tanas sa akin. Sabi ko sa lawyer na to, how about lalapit kaya tayo sa mga kongresista? Sabihin ko yung kaputahan ni Lisa at ni Bangag. Alam mo kung ano sabi sa akin ng lawyer na yon? Sabi niya, we have a problem. Sabi ko, what's the problem? Ito yung pagkakaintindi ko sa sinabi niya sa layman's term. Ang Pilipinas ay hawak ni Biden. Hawak sa liig dahil sa China issue. Since projected winner na si Trump, ayaw ni Trump ng pulboronic. Ayaw niya ng adik. So naisip ko, lahat ng email ng Trump campaign, I will send the pulboronic video and the authentication. How about that? Isilyado natin para pagdating ng pag-upo niya sa January, tignan natin kung ano ang magagawa. For sure, baka mag-plastic-plastic yan sila Lisa Tanas. At yan si Bangag, baka magbati-bati. Congratulations, President-elect Trump. Lisa Tanas, ibibigay ko sa Trump campaign yung picture mo, ipapakita ko lahat yung bribery mo, Lisa, yung kidnapping mo, yung mga audio mo. I'm thinking right now na i-compile ko lahat yan. Kung kailangan gumapang ako, papuntang mansyon ni Trump, gagawin ko. I will do the honor. Diba?
Folks, you might remember that Donald Trump had a phone call with Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte. Trump apparently had a very friendly conversation with Duterte and even invited him to the White House. Now that's a very exclusive invitation.
He's been very, very tough on that drug problem, but he has a massive drug problem.
Do you think he's...
You know, he's very popular in the Philippines. He has a very high approval rating in the Philippines, but he's very popular in the Philippines. Yes, I look forward to meeting him. If he comes to the White House, that's fine. I look forward to meeting him.